This is the best social media design toolkit you can ever get for as low as $20. Graphic designers, tech business owners, this is the best you can ever get. This is the design bundle you get when you make the purchase. Most of the time, you see people paying much more for designs. This is the best toolkit you can get. This design toolkit is exclusively for Affinity by Canva users or graphic designers. And this is the reason why. Using this toolkit with Affinity by Canva makes it very easy and fast. It makes you working very fast. So for example, with this artboard here, so when I drop this arrow down, you can see the product here. And if I want to change this, I have an option here. With Photoshop, you have to go and grab the project file you want to use, and you then drag and drop. It's a whole lot of process. So to cut the stress off, you just click it and then you select the product you want to use. So let's say I have this one here. Let me use this. It makes it very easy for you to change the product you want. This is a Samsung washing machine. The color for the podium, depending on how you want to use it, you can change the color. So you select it like this. So this is the rectangle and this is the top base. So if I move this up, you can see it has changed the way it looks like. So undo, and then this is the base. So if I move this as well, you can see some changes. Depending on how you want it to look like, you have the template and you decide how you want it to look like. This is a shadow effect, so when I click it, it goes off. When I turn it on, it comes back, and this is how I did it. You switch to the Pixel Studio, and then we have this paintbrush tool, and then I change this color to black, and then let me change this color for the base. I can start painting. You are going to see the shadows applied. The next thing I want to show you is this black tech discount sales. It's an SVG file, so you just need to double click this portion here and it takes you to this pop-up menu here, and then this is the text. It's editable, so I can change anything here. This is the logo I created, text space. Discover what you need. You can change this logo to your preferred logo. So just as we did this image here by changing the product image, you select the logo and then you replace it with the one you want. So if this is your logo, for example, and then you can increase the size, you can adjust it to the way you want it to look like. Very simple and very easy. The next thing I want to show you has to do with the text. I provided a PDF file inside the design bundle, so when you download it, you're going to see the PDF file. Inside the PDF file, I have shown you how you can get a particular font if you don't have it installed on your PC. So if you don't have this name of this font here, so this is founder font family. So if you don't have this particular font, make sure you pay attention to the PDF file, which is a quick notice, so that it guides you to know how you can use it. So this is actually what you are getting, and many more you find out in the design bundle. I don't want to disclose everything here. You can grab this for yourself. I will leave the link in the description so that you can purchase this design bundle, or if you know somebody who needs it, you can share this video with the person. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, smash that notification bell, like, share, and leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saves you a lot of income. See you in the next video.